Welcome to the ultimate Would You Rather Fantasy Summer House Edition. You will have 7 seconds to choose between two options. Think fast, choose wisely, but before that, comment down your name below. Would you rather build your summer house by the beach or in the mountains? Would you rather have an infinity pool or a rooftop jacuzzi? Would you rather chill on a hammock or a luxury sunbed? Would you rather design a glass roof or an open balcony? Would you rather paint your house in pastel tones or tropical colors? Would you rather sleep in a canopy bed or a waterbed? Would you rather host BBQ nights or pool parties every weekend? Would you rather install a garden swing or a porch rocker? Would you rather wake up to ocean waves or chirping birds? Would you rather create a tropical bar or a smoothie station? Would you rather light your house with fairy lights or glowing lanterns? Would you rather install an ice cream bar or a popcorn machine? Would you rather stay cool with AC or outdoor mint? Would you rather use marble tiles or bamboo floors? Would you rather design an open kitchen or a rooftop grill? Would you rather add a net floor or a glass walkway? Would you rather include a beach sand pit or a flower garden? Would you rather install skylight windows or bay windows? Would you rather watch sunsets or sunrises from your balcony? Would you rather relax in a beanbag room or a massage room? Would you rather create a boho-themed room or a minimalist zone? Would you rather plant citrus trees or palm trees? Would you rather ride a beach bike or drive a golf cart? Would you rather build a hidden treehouse or a rooftop tent? Would you rather install floor-to-ceiling mirrors or a waterfall wall? Would you rather hang seashell art or woven baskets? Would you rather have a lemonade bar or a frozen yogurt station? Would you rather host summer movie nights or beach bonfires? Would you rather design a sunroof bedroom or a basement theater? Would you rather cool down with frozen drinks or fruity popsicles? Would you rather play beach volleyball or have water balloons? Would you rather build a seashell path or a pebble walkway? Would you rather nap in a cloud swing or an egg chair? Would you rather eat fruit skewers or grilled seafood daily? Would you rather create a secret reading nook or a music lounge? Would you rather paint the house sky blue or sunny yellow? Would you rather fill the house with summer scents or ocean breeze? Would you rather slide into the pool or dive from a wooden deck? Would you rather set up an outdoor cinema or a DJ booth? Would you rather decorate with driftwood or colorful shells?